Hello there YouTubers, my name's Charlie Chittenden. It's Tuesday the 19th of July 2016 and I'm going to conduct a ghost box session here with the intention of attempting to communicate with the spirit of the pioneering nurse Florence Nightingale. So I'll turn my power on here and we can see what we can get. Go in reverse sweep. Are there any spirit beings here who can bring through the spirit of the pioneering nurse Florence Nightingale, please? Her work led the way for modern nursing today. Can Florence come through, please? Can you speak to me, please, Florence? Can any spirit beings bring through the spirit of Florence Nightingale, please? Born in 1820 in Florence, Italy. If you speak into this device as loudly as you can, I can hear you. Can anybody say Florence Nightingale? Florence passed away in 1910 in Mayfair in London. Florence Nightingale, can you come through and speak to me, please? Florence died bedridden and blind, aged 90. Florence, can you come through, please? Can anybody tell me anything they know about Florence Nightingale, please? Florence, you are known as the lady with the lamp. Is this a name that you kind of appreciate in any way? This was given to you because you used to go around during the Crimean War. You used to go around at night tending to the wounded soldiers with an oil lamp. Can you please come through and speak to me, please? How would you describe the afterlife? Are you happy with the examples you set in terms of influencing contemporary nursing?
No.
Florence, if you're there, can you say hello, Charlie, please? Florence, can you say your name, please? Okay, I'm going to go now. Thank you for your communication. I'll say goodbye to you. Could you say goodbye to me, please? Goodbye.